to facial recognition software used by law enforcement agencies. This software is often trained on databases of mugshots that disproportionately feature people of color. Consequently, the software is better at recognizing darker-skinned faces as potential criminals. This bias has led to false arrests and misidentification, causing immense distress and tarnishing innocent lives. In both these cases, the AI was simply doing what it was programmed to do, learn from the data it was fed, but it's evident that when the data is biased, the AI's decisions will be too. The consequences? In Amazon's case, it was a blow to workplace diversity. In the case of the facial recognition software, it was a threat to civil liberties and fairness in law enforcement. These are not isolated incidents. Bias in AI is a pervasive problem that can seep into any system, from healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment. And as these cases illustrate, unchecked bias in AI design can have serious implications. So, what should we take away from these examples? In our exploration of the ethics in AI design, we've underscored the significance of conscientious decision-making. It's critical to remember that AI systems are only as unbiased as the data and directives we provide. Hence, we need to ensure the data we feed into these systems is diverse and representative. We also highlighted the necessity of transparency and accountability in AI development. Openness about how decisions are made by AI systems and who's accountable when things go wrong are fundamental to ethical AI design. Lastly, we emphasize the importance of inclusiveness. The more diverse the team designing the AI, the more perspectives and experiences are brought to the table, reducing the risk of bias. To summarize, ethical considerations, transparency, accountability, and inclusiveness aren't mere nice-to-haves. They're essential ingredients in the recipe for unbiased AI. Remember, an unbiased future of AI begins with ethical design decisions made today.